Today's episode shows the draft to completion process. Please stay tuned. The measurement required to make the sleeve is a round shoulder. Here we have it to be 39 and the round upper chest is 31. The difference between the two figures is 8. Add 2 inches to that to make 10 inches. For a half circle pattern first, divide 10 by 3.14, which is the mathematical formula to get a half circle. The resulting answer is 3 inches. Add 10 inches to that. 10 inches here is the preferred length of the sleeve, and that will give us 13 inches. Mark 13 inches on your fabric and place on fold once. Next, you have to mark 13 inches and create a curve. Cut out the area and you get a half circle. Mark out the radius, which is 3 inches, all around the upper corner of the fold. Cut out the radius, mark out the cold shoulder measurement. Here is the 10 inches we had initially, and this fabric is on fold, so you will need to measure out 5 inches. You should have your upper bodice ready. Place the armhole of the upper bodice on that area and cut out as shown. Here is how the sleeve will be sewn on the armhole area, and this is the resulting fullness of the half circle flare. Next, let's see the result of a full circle flare. Divide 10 by 6.25, the mathematical formula to get a full circle, and the resulting answer is about 1.6. Approximate that to 2 inches and add the desired sleeve length of 10 inches, making 12 inches. Here we are to place 12 inches on 4 folds. This way you would need 24 inches lengthwise and 24 inches widthwise. This method is also fabric consuming. Mark 12 inches from the folded upper corner to get a curve at the hem as shown. Connect the points and cut out. Mark out the 2 inches radius. Cut the radius out and once again come in with the upper bodice to cut out the armhole curve. Remember, 10 inches is the measurement for the cold shoulder area. The fabric is on fold, so you have to measure 5 inches. Use the bodice armhole as a template to cut the armhole of the sleeve. Here's how the sleeve will be sewn on the armhole of the bodice, and this is the resulting fullness of the full circle flare in comparison with the half circle flare. For this tutorial, I'll be using the half circle flare. The hem of the sleeve can be turned with a bias or a lining, and in this case, I am turning the hem with a lining, sewing by 0.25 inch. Open flat the hemmed area and place the sides of the fabric and the lining on opposite directions and sew straight by 0.5 inch. When you're done sewing, the seams should be enclosed like this. Cut out a fabric bias strip measuring 0.5 inches widthwise. The link in the description box shows how to cut a fabric bias strip. Sew the fabric bias strip from the wrong side of the sleeve by 0.5 inch. Notch around the area. Sew outward, folding 0.5 inch and 0.5 inch again, and top stitch very close to the fold. This is the armhole area of the sleeve. Match up the side seams of the sleeve with the side seams of the blouse. Start sewing from the middle area there all the way to the upper chest. Sew by 0.5 inch, and as you sew along, pleat any excess fabric seam. When you are done sewing one half, start sewing from the other upper chest area the same way. The sleeve is ready. If this tutorial was helpful, do drop a comment, like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell for more videos. Bye.